Hey, what's up? It's Scott here with Tech Cuts, and today we're doing a quick video showing all the components that we're going to be putting into a couple of new build series coming on this channel. So it's been a minute since I've last posted, and well, it's been kind of a busy life going on. But we have a lot of stuff that we're about to do on this channel, and I'm really excited to do it. We're going to be building out two systems, all based on the Intel 12700K and the AMD Ryzen 7 5700G. Both of these have integrated graphics, so we're going to be testing these against each other for gaming, video editing, content creator stuff, general purpose use, and then we're going to be sticking the GeForce RTX 3080 in each of these systems and seeing how much better or worse they get. I doubt they'll get worse, but you know. And we're just going to put them all to the test. And so we're going to be building two complete PCs here and just having some fun with it. So why I wanted to make this little video here is I wanted to just kind of give you an idea of what we're about to do and ask you, what benchmarks do you care about most? Now, I'm not saying that I can put everybody's benchmarks or specialty stuff. If you say, I want to know exactly how it handles this camera's footage at this frame rate on this timeline in this operating system, I can't do that. It's just not feasible. But if you tell me you're interested content creator stuff, or if you're interested in general purpose business stuff, or if you're interested in gaming, that kind of stuff, let me know in the comments down below what kind of benchmarks you're looking to see, and I'll see if I can incorporate as many as I can into these builds. But look for these builds coming really, really soon. In fact, I'm shooting them like right now, but you'll see them out here really soon, and I'm excited because this is the first new builds that I've done in quite a while, about 3 years. And I'm really excited for what everybody's done. Because, AMD just basically destroyed Intel forever. And then 12th gen Intel, they come out and they're like, oh, by the way, AMD, yeah, we got attitude again. And let's just see how that pans out. Also, we do have the MacBook Pro M1 Max review that will be coming out shortly. You can see it back there chugging away. And it has been my daily driver, and wow, is it powerful. And that bug is just bothering me. So that's what we've got going on, and I'm really excited to bring them all to you, and hopefully you will be along for the ride. If not, click subscribe. Be a part of this community because this is the tech side of Scott Balcom. And, well, I'm just kind of a nerd, probably like you, and I need another outlet. So this channel, tech featured. The Scott Balcom channel, very film featured. There's a music channel. There's a food channel. Why? I just feel like I'm channeling all my energy right now. It's a lot of fun. It's something I've wanted to do for a long time. So this is what we got going on. Look for it really soon. And yeah, remember, I don't have a catchphrase.